Hey, this is Desk Tech Pro. I just kind of wanted to show you guys a little different video here today. What I wanted to show you is a little project I've been working on. This is my own local AI chat system. It's kind of like ChatGPT or Copilot, but instead of going out to the cloud, this is all hosted 100% locally on my server here. As you can see up here, I got my own private IP address. And what you're looking at right now is what's called Open Web UI. This is what we're able to just interact with and type messages. On its own, it can't really do a whole lot. That's where we need to connect some other pieces together. But I'll get into that here in a little bit. But I kind of want to show you here what it can do. So if we come down here to the voice mode, we can click on that. Hello.
Good morning. How can I help you today?
So as you can see, it does work where we can talk and it does respond to us. It is slower than using like ChatGPT or other AI systems. That's mostly due to just the physical hardware limitations of what I have. I have made some edits and tweaks to it to get it to the speed that it is. It used to run a lot slower than what it is now. So this is definitely an improvement to where it has been. But yeah, so that's kind of just what it can do. What it what it's actually going on here is there's kind of three components. The first one we have is Whisper. Whisper is a speech to text system. So when I talk, it translates what I say into text, and then it passes that text off to the next service, which is Olama. Olama is the brains of the operation that think and handle what I say and can make decisions based off of that. And then once Olama thinks and is ready to respond with that text, it passes it off to Piper, which is a text to speech service that it can then take that text, that response from Olama, and then speak it back out to me. And then I can name this like whatever it is, whatever I want it to be, such as something similar to this would be like having your own Jarvis system, kind of like from Iron Man. The main advantage of having something like this is the fact that one, you don't need any kind of subscriptions to pay for it. And the second thing is that there's no cloud involved. So if you wanted any kind of sensitive information, for example, that you may want to type into it, that you may not want to go out into the cloud, you can just keep it all 100% localized within your network. So even though functionally it does work, and yes, it is, I will admit it is 100% slower than other AI models. You may ask like why you may want to use something like this, and it basically narrows down to basically having security and not needing to rely on the cloud, as well as one, it also is a little fun project you can try at home to just kind of whip up your own local AI model. But yeah, that's kind of all I wanted to show you guys here is this little side project here I've been working on. If you like this or if you want to see more content about this, whether if it's related to my home network or these services that I run in Proxmox, feel free to drop a comment and like below. But other than that, thank you for watching.